As a deck cadet without a proper handover, you may feel overwhelmed because you're still learning the ropes. However, you can manage the situation effectively by staying proactive, observant, and communicative. Here's how. Number one, understand your role. Know your responsibilities. Focus on tasks typically assigned to cadets, such as assisting with watchkeeping, maintenance, and learning ship operations. Check the cadet's training plan. If the previous cadet left no guidance, request a copy of the onboard training plan or task book to understand what is expected of you. Some companies do not have this and would just require you to have your TRB on board. Number two, observe and learn. Shadow senior officers. Spend time with the third mate and chief mate. They can guide you on what the previous cadet might have been doing. Learn from the crew, especially with deck ratings. Deck ratings, ABs, and OS are often a wealth of practical knowledge. Ask them about the ship's operations and equipment. Number three, documentation and records. Review records. Check if the previous cadet left any documents, notes, or reports related to ongoing tasks or projects. Number four, familiarize yourself with the ship. Conduct a self-tour. Walk around the ship and familiarize yourself with emergency exits, life-saving appliances, firefighting equipment, deck machinery, and cargo systems. Bridge and deck areas. Pay extra attention to the bridge, equipment, and deck operational areas. Number five, focus on safety. For emergency procedures, learn the master list and your role during drills or emergencies. Personal safety, ensure you know how to use personal protective equipment and follow safety protocols. Report observations. Inform the officers of any safety concerns or equipment issues you notice. Number six, watchkeeping assistance. Assist the officer on watch. If you're assigned to a navigation watch, observe and support the third mate. Learn tasks like plotting positions on charts or ECDIS, monitoring traffic and weather conditions, updating logbooks. If you're assigned to a mooring and anchor party, learn carefully with the officer in charge and pay close attention to the deck ratings as they will demonstrate the job more. Number seven, be proactive with maintenance. Assist in deck maintenance. Help with tasks like chipping, painting, greasing, and inspecting mooring equipment. Learn from the bosun and the ABs. They can teach you practical skills like operating deck machinery and handling mooring lines. Number eight, communicate and ask questions. Engage the officers. Regularly update the chief mate or third mate on your progress. Ask for clarification if you're unsure about anything. Be inquisitive. Use this as an opportunity to learn about ship operations without being overly reliant on prior handover notes. Number nine, build the system. Stay organized. Create your own checklist for tasks and areas to focus on, such as maintenance schedules, safety equipment inspections, learning specific shipboard operations, example, cargo or ballast systems. Document what you learn. Keep notes to refer to later and eventually pass on to the next cadet. Number 10, stay positive and adapt. Be flexible. A missing handover is an opportunity to build resilience and problem-solving skills. Take initiative. Officers will appreciate a cadet who actively tries to learn and contribute, even under challenging circumstances. There are other points existing, but these are just the quick, noteworthy ones.